Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Settings with Windows plus I. This gets you straight into the system controls. Once done, choose Personalization, then Themes so you land on the Theme Gallery and Active Theme Settings. Make sure you're signed into the Windows account where the theme should apply, because themes sync differently per profile. Also check that dark or light mode isn't locked by an organization policy before proceeding, since that can block some theme options. Now choose an existing theme or add one you downloaded by selecting Browse and pointing to the Theme or Desk Themepec file. You'll want to customize background, colors, sounds, and the mouse cursor so the theme matches your taste. These parts combine into the final theme package. Once you make changes, click Save or Apply to lock them in. If you want a single wallpaper changed, use the background options and make sure to set fit and rotation for multiple images. Finish by clicking Apply and verifying the theme appears correctly across all displays if you have multiple monitors. Mismatched scaling can shift backgrounds. To keep or share your setup, use Save Theme to export a Desk Themepec file. If the theme won't apply, don't panic. Make sure no group policy or device management setting is preventing changes, then reset personalization settings or sign out and sign back in. If issues persist, restart Explorer or reinstall the theme file to clear corruption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.